Chapter 8, Class 7 for DAV Students, Internet and Web Services. Only if you read this chapter, you can understand all the things. There is no critical things, no arguments, no scientific question like this. Only reading, you can understand all the things. Introduction. Technology has brought the world closer. Technology enables us to connect with any person in any part of the world. It has become an important part of our daily life. All of us use the web for our day-to-day activities. It offers a wide range of facilities to make our life easy and comfortable. In this chapter, we will explore the various web facilities. These are some of the services provided by the web, which are referred as internet or web services. Now, internet or web service is a service offered by an electronic device to another electronic device communicating with each other via the World Wide Web. Various services provided by the web are chat, email, video conferencing, social networking, e-groups, e-learning, e-commerce, e-shopping, e-reservation, e-banking. Let us learn about them one by one. Real-time text is a text transmitted instantly as it is typed or created. Recipients can immediately read the message while it is being written without waiting. Chat. The word chat means talking or conversing in a light, easy and informal manner. Electronic chat refers to any kind of communication between two or more people over the internet. The communication occurs through typed text message or voice chat. It offers a real-time transmission of text message from a sender to the receiver. Example you are seeing. Advantages of chatting. Free of cost. Most of the chat services are free of cost. The only cost incurred is that for the internet. Always there, we can be online anytime, even while working, so that we are always in touch with our friends. It helps us exchange our views on various topics. Service provider is a company which allows its subscribers access the internet. Ease of accessibility. Chat services are available to everyone. It helps us to remain in touch with our families and friends on any part of the world. Increase knowledge. Chatting, apart from making friends, also gives an opportunity to know the culture and tradition of the person from the other country. You must have seen people using emotion while chatting with others. Emotions are the icons which are used to express our emotions. As per survey, the most commonly used emotion in India is, you are seeing this thing. Research activity, 17 July every year. Research activity. You know, this is emotion. Email is a system of receiving, sending and storing message. What is the definition of email? Email is a system of receiving, sending and storing message. An email can be sent whether or not a person is online. Email account. In order to make use of an email service, we need to have an email account on any of the email service provided like hotmail.com, yahoo.com, rediff.com, gmail.com, etc. An email server holds the message for a person until he retrieves. Advantage of him: easy to use, fastest means of communication, easy to compose, eco-friendly, multiple usage, bulk messaging, official mode of communication. Bulk messaging. We can easily send bulk message to a large number of people simultaneously. This is commonly used by companies for advertising and marketing their products. Lots of business houses nowadays use email for exchange of information. You may pause the video and you are able to write any question answer. Mainly purpose question answer. Video conferencing. You know, if you will do video, any person, you may conference, you may add third person also. Such type of conferencing is video conferencing. We have seen on the television, especially in the news channel, that an anchor is conducting the discussion with several participants sitting in different cities or countries. The participant and the anchor can see and talk to each other live. This entire discussion can be seen clearly by the viewer of the television. Computer with video conferencing software. Video conferencing allows a user to different locations to hold face-to-face meetings without having to move to a single location. They can communicate with this way using internet. Through video conferencing, users can transmit both the video and audio data. Hardware devices required for video conferencing: video input, video output, audio output, data transfer, LAN or internet. Computer with video conferencing software. Hardware devices required for video conferencing: codec, camera, display devices, microphone, speakers, headphones. Computer with video conferencing software. The above devices are required at both the sender and receiver. While online classes, during online classes, you are knowing how can we study. Advantage of video conferencing: no time constraint, reduced travel cost, easy communication, useful for medical professionals, facilities long distance programs. Social networking. Facebook, Twitter, Google, etc. are some of the leading social network sites. Simply, if you will study these things, there is no problem. Advantage of social networking: to stay in touch, sharing information, raising awareness, finding people with similar interest. E-groups. E-group is a feature in many social network services where people with similar interests share information with each other. They can share text, pictures, videos, views through such groups. A news group is a platform where users can discuss and share their views about a particular subject. It consists of latest information related to the subject. E-learning. Next thing we want to discuss, that is e-learning. You know about computers and internet has made our life very easy. Now everyone can gather knowledge through the electronic media such as computers, tablets, mobile phones, etc. Through this, the learners can access the best of the teachers easily. They can ask questions from any remote corner of the world. Students can discuss online for better understanding through the e-learning models. Here, one thing is given, that is best teacher. I hope teacher will not give test. Who will give test? A student have to take their test. So a student should study all these things. If there will be problem, they may ask any question to their teachers. Okay, this is here it is written best teacher. All teachers are best. No any teacher is weak. All teachers in the world are best. Okay, e-learning can be used in areas where there is no school or college. It can reach any remote or far off areas of the country of the world. Advantages of e-learning: customized learning, easy access, especially able children, self-learning and self-improvement, self-evaluation. Okay, almost everyone who uses a computer and internet are e-learners. Okay, there is no problem. E-commerce. After completing your study, you will know too much about e-commerce. E-commerce Electronic commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services. Business to business, business to consumer, consumer to consumer, consumer to business, e-shopping. These business transactions can be online shopping or e-shopping, you know about. Advantage of e-shopping: convenience, it saves fuel, traveling time and protects from traffic jams. Cheaper products, customer satisfaction, availability, payment option. Item name, shopping websites. E-reservation. This time, if you want to take ticket in railway, e-reservation is essential. E-reservation system is on online reservation system, online ticket booking. Okay, you know this thing. This time it is essential. Advantage of e-reservation: convenience, cheaper, flexibility, range of choice, safety, flexibility. Now next thing, e-banking. Similar, same thing, e-banking. E-banking, also known as online banking or internet banking, is a web service through which the user can connect to the website of the bank to perform any of the banking function. The bank website provides the following services. E-banking allows us to pay our bills, transfer money from one bank to another, request a checkbook, generate account summary report, fixed deposit done. The user selects the service and interacts with the website. Advantage of e-banking: saves with time and cost. Comfortable, we can do the banking transaction comfortably sitting at home. We don't have to stand and wait in queue. Saves energy, it saves our energy. E-banking. I hope you will study too much and will get good marks in the examination. And once again, this is my humble suggestion to my humble viewer. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Vikramganj. Thank you. Have a nice day.